Welcome! Today we will create incredible images for your beloved pet's Instagram. Open the Google search engine, or the one of your choice, type Bing, Image Creator, and log in with your account. Write the prompt that I left in the description. You can change the attributes. Click on the Create button and wait for the result. Leave me in the comments what you would like to create together. It gives us 4 results. Choose one. The result varies according to the prompt. Ready. Subscribe for more tutorials. I will teach you how to use more AI tools. Thanks for watching.